Good evening, my dear friends. Today topic is lifestyle. Now I will explain what is a lifestyle and what are the different types of lifestyle and we are. If you want to change your lifestyle, what are the steps you have to take and how to achieve the lifestyle whatever you want. I will explain very clearly. Very familiar the word is a lifestyle. So what we are living, the present situation of us decide, and what we are doing every day, it is belongs to our lifestyle. Basically, lifestyle is three types. So number one, life of survival. So you know very familiar with it. Life of survival. We can simply understand it. I will explain. Now I will explain a simple example. A person must have to work for to live. So every day he must have to work or maybe hunt. He want to fulfill his hunger. So otherwise he will definitely die within a short period of time, maybe short period of days, couple of days. So the life of survival category some of the people belongs to. So it is one category of lifestyle. Majority people, the people working for daily wages and the people doing a job, the things to fulfill their needs, there belongs to life of survival. So second category, coming to this, the network he is having very little. He is known by the villages or surrounding people only. So coming to the second category, life of success. He has, so coming to category B, you take the person as a B. You must have to live. So what he is earning, the sum of money he can save and he can able to sustain even not working for a year, maybe the 2 years or maybe 3 years. But he must have to work, sustain for a long time. He is coming to this category. He is known by a life of success. He achieved something in his life. Like example, to become an engineer, he is working under a person, and to achieve whatever he want, he achieve the thing in our life to consider as success. So the success defines from person to person is different, definitely. So he known by some people, maybe some villages and some of the outer people also. He is known by his area, and the division is increasing compared to this person. His network is somewhat high. So coming to the third category, so life of significance. Like life of significance. Yeah, is a lifestyle. So he worked for some days, some years. So he created something. So that makes him to generate the income throughout life. So he is known by throughout the world. So I can explain with examples. He is you consider as a worker. He is you consider as maybe the teacher, known by his school and his villages and everything. So he is considered as a famous personalities, like you consider Usain Bolt, and example cricketers you consider, or otherwise speakers. So many examples you consider. So the point what I want to tell you the thing is, so where we are compared to these you three lives, which category we are and where you want to be, you must have to realize the thing. That point I want to explain here. So you belongs to category of life of survival, or otherwise you belongs to category of life of success, or otherwise you want to be category of life of significance. You must have to know. So these are all the basic steps of 1 and 2 and 3. If you want to go this side, you have to complete these two categories to reach this level. Okay. So within a short period of time, you cannot come from these two. There is no lottery to come out of from these stages, life of survival and succeed significance. You have to put your efforts to come out of these things. So these are all the lifestyles. So coming to, I want to explain one more point regarding the youth, where they would be and where they want to be achieve in their life. So one more, my suggestion and my request. So everyone, the present, the who completed their graduation, there are only two options to everyone. So either you have an idea and work on your idea, either you have an idea and work on your idea and work for your idea to fulfill it, to achieve your dreams. Okay, otherwise, or go and work for some other to fulfill their dreams. So what you want to do, either you have an idea and work on yourself, you want to be to fulfill your dreams, or otherwise go and work someone else to fulfill their dreams. There are only two options everyone having. So I want to explain one more thing. So try to find your idea if you have and work on it, your idea to reach your dreams. At least try for 4 to 5 years. If you fail in these things, so then you work for someone else. Those who fulfilling their ideas and implementing their dreams to achieve their dreams, you have to work at least to fulfill their dreams. Okay. So all the best, my dear friends. Try to find your idea, whatever you have with you, and try to work on it. Try to change your lifestyle by changing your thoughts. All the best. We'll see you in the next video.